up, guys? I'm going to do a demo for you on the autofanatic professional wheel cleaning foam using a garden hose. Have a lot of customers that bought the product and they don't have access to a power washer, so this is for you guys out there. It doesn't matter if you have a power washer, you can use a garden hose, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to do. All right, guys, so we're going to get started with a quick pre-rinse of the wheel. Rinse your wheel to get anything that's loose to come off, but if you can see here, there's not much that came off with the pre-rinse. So these wheels are filthy right now. This is from driving in the rain for several days, and there's just a lot of debris and brake dust that's embedded in that wheel. So we're going to grab the IK9 foamer. You're going to want to make sure you hit it good. These wheels are really hard to clean by design. So in my pitcher of water right here, I have 1 ounce of the autofanatic professional wheel cleaning foam natural boar's hair brush, and you guys can see how quick and easy it's reactivating the brake dust to fall right off the wheel. You can see it there. I'm not putting a lot of scrubbing effort. This is just touching the surface. And we're not going to be able to get into the barrel due to this wheel design. You're going to want to do it as best as you can. And just go dip it into the solution again. You can see it there, just breaking up all that tar and oil. This is everything that's come off this wheel just by touching it with that simple boar's hair detailing brush. You can see it in the runoff. It totally breaks everything up. Okay, so we're just going to grab the garden hose now and give it a rinse. You guys could see the before in the beginning of this video, and this is the after, and it came out fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Inside the pockets where the lug bolts are, all the way through, all the tar, grease, silicone, everything that was on the outer perimeter of the rim was softened up and rinsed right off with the garden hose. So that's just a quick demonstration for all you guys that don't have a power washer. You could very easily just use a little bit of solution in a pitcher of water or a 3-gallon bucket of water, a couple of detailing brushes, hit the wheel once, go over a couple of the detailed areas, rinse it off, give it a good dry, and you're off to go. And you don't need a power washer to do it. And we did this in under 3 minutes flat. So I'll see you guys soon. autofanatic@yahoo.com. Go to the web store now to place your order, and I'll see you guys soon.